Extraño a Larín cuando comía mango con chile y tajín. Con que extrañan que coma mango. Vamos a romper mangos, 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 mangos.
Honest RC graveyard review. It's garbage. Absolute garbage. Hot garbage. That's what these RCs are. But don't worry, here at the RC Graveyard, we're going to do some upgrades and make it very, very competitive. But out of the box, Traxxas disappointed yet again. Honestly, if I was you, I would just avoid Traxxas. Go for ECX or Arma or literally anything but Traxxas. Traxxas is hot garbage. See you guys in the next one.
My address out of here. Welcome back to a brand new episode of RC Graveyard. And today, I got something in here. So y'all know me as a Traxxas hater. But I think that it would be, I don't know, hypocritical if I didn't do at least one RC product. I complicated on which RC product I wanted. I looked at a few different ones. I also got scammed out of around $200 to $300. I'd also like to take this moment to stop and warn any RC fans. When you're all buying stuff online, you all need to make sure you all don't send money first, like through EMT, PayPal, or whatever you use, because people seem to scam RCers the hardest because we're the most gullible. So please stop allowing yourself to be scammed. I am gonna do a whole video exposing a whole people who have scammed me over the years. Anyways, back to the video. Dollars for two different Traxxas Stampedes, but that's okay. It made me lean on a different RC product, something that's a little cheaper and less. It's well known, but it's less. It doesn't have as much. Not many people talk about it much anymore. So I decided I had to get it, and they made a new version of this RC, but I had to get the vintage one just to fit the theme. Already, the rims look. Oh. Well. I have another Traxxas product. It's been a long time. And I got a feeling that I'm gonna like this one. Because you know what it reminds me of, guys? When I first got back into the hobby a couple years ago, the first RC I came back with was a Rustler. And this is almost identical. I was really curious about the drive shafts, and I'm glad that it has the same as the Slash. But here you have it, guys. At the RC Graveyard, we have a Traxxas product.
This is what you get when you buy Traxxas.
Brasil!
Honest RC Graveyard review. It's garbage. Absolute garbage. Hot garbage. That's what these RCs are. But don't worry, here at the RC Graveyard, we're going to do some upgrades and make it very, very competitive. But out of the box, Traxxas disappointed yet again. Honestly, if I was you, I would just avoid Traxxas. Go for ECX or Arma or literally anything but Traxxas, because Traxxas is hot garbage. See you guys in the next one.